You're going to deliver the baby, and in no time, you're going to be coming home with this new little life. So, how do you prepare for it? What do you need to keep at home so that you and your baby are totally sorted when you come home from the hospital? One, you need a baby cot or a baby bed in case you plan to not go sleep and keep the baby in a cot. So you need to have fresh blankets. In case you want to use a round mustard pillow for the baby, you need to have that. You need to have your warm blankets, thin blankets. Have the bed ready with fresh sheets ready to change every other day. Then you also need changing supplies and cleaning supplies for the room. Things like Dettol, Harpic, Colin, Lysol. You're going to have to clean your room. You're going to have to keep things sanitized and clean. So you need to have all this stocked up. A good bathroom, a clean bathroom. Also keep sanitizer close. What I did was I kept a sanitizer big bottle in every room so that wherever we were, if there were any guests or somebody who has come from outside, sanitize your hands, keep sanitizing, or better still, washing your hands, especially before you touch the baby. So lots of sanitizer. Then you need to have a feeding station ready. Now, feeding is of two types, either it's mother's milk or it's formula. Also, with mother's milk, there are two types. You can either bottle feed by expressing or you can feed directly. Either ways, you need a feeding station. This may have a sterilizer which you will use to clean your bottle parts, your pump parts. So that will be one area that is there and ready. You'll have a fresh thermos of warm water or hot water to mix and make your formula whenever you need. You will need a feeding chair or a place where you can comfortably sit with good back support, and you can comfortably carry and feed your baby, make the baby sleep. So you need a good feeding station with freshly washed bottles and everything. You'll have lots of swaddles and cloth nappies or diapers ready. You will also have a changing station. This is where you'll have dry sheets, fresh nappies, cotton, warm water, boiled water, anything that you need to clean the baby with, whatever you plan to use, whether it's baby wipes, whether it's cotton and water, whether you plan to do diapers, whether you plan to do cloth nappies. Have lots of them in a little basket where you can just place your dry sheet, clean the baby, because you will be doing that many times a day. And now let's come to you. You're going to need a cupboard full of very comfortable clothes, whatever weather you are in. Whether it is winter, then maybe fleece. If it's summer, then it's soft cotton, malmal, whatever that is very, very comfortable for you. You're going to need a cupboard full of clean, good, well washed, hygienic, and soft, comfortable clothing for you. You will also need to load your kitchen up with some good healthy snacks. Keep lots of snacky good things full of dry fruit and ghee, maybe some laddus, maybe some bars, anything that's healthy, because you're going to feel hungry a lot. So be prepared for the baby and you to have an amazing time, bond well and enjoy, and stay prepared. This is Unfiltered Mama signing off, not prescribing, just describing. All the best.